how to make carnivore muffins. They're so delicious and flavorful. Okay, so first you need eggs, cheese, bacon, butter, and ground beef. And then you're going to preheat your oven to 345 degrees. I only cut up half a pound of bacon, but I really wish I would have done a full pound of bacon. I cooked my bacon on medium heat, cracked open 18 eggs, whisked them together, and then in the same pan, I cooked up ground beef. Then I melted butter to put in the muffin pan so that my muffins wouldn't stick to it. Then it's so simple. You pour your eggs into the muffin pans, and then you mix all of your ingredients together into the muffin pans. You can cook your muffins for 20 minutes, but I did them for 25 minutes because I wanted them to come out nice, crispy, and brown. This is what they looked like in the oven. I didn't follow any recipe. I did this myself, and it turned out perfectly. Look at this. It was brown and crispy. Guys, this was so easy to make, and it is so delicious, and you can just use them as meal prep. They taste so good cold as well. Super easy to make. You guys have to make this. Thank you so much for watching.